Hey, how's it going? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to add Temu products to Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Just log into your account, then we'll go to the Shopify store page. The link's in the description. We'll use the Deezer app. So let's click the install button here. The app installation page will open. We click install. Now we'll start configuring the app. First, it asks you to create a Deezer account. You can make one or have one created for you. I'll click the first button. Next, we'll choose which plan to use. There are several, but we'll use the free basic version. Here he mentions it'll be free forever. So we'll choose the free option. We won't pay anything to use this app. Let's select and click to start. Next, it'll ask for your AliExpress account. He notes Deezer works with Temu too, which we'll use. But you need an AliExpress account to continue. If you don't have one, create one quickly on AliExpress. Then click the AliExpress button to proceed. Next, we'll go into the Temu platform. First, just click the AliExpress button. A tab opens to access and authorize AliExpress. Let's click the login button. Enter your email and password, then click enter. Just enter the AliExpress information. After entering the info, simply click to log in. Now the Deezer app is installed with Seston. It's opened the Deezer platform we'll be using. Before importing, let's do something to simplify the process. At the top, there's a button labeled Chrome extension. If you use Google Chrome, click this button. The Deezer page will open in Google Chrome. We'll click the Add to Chrome button. Let's click to add the extension. Great, the extension has been successfully added. Next, we'll import products from Temu. Now let's access the Temu product we want to import. Go to Temu and choose which product to import. It will open here. So you've installed the Deezer extension in your browser. Below, there's a button that says Add to Temu. It'll confirm the product was imported successfully. Now let's go back to Deezer and reload the page. On the left, you'll see a new Import List button. It'll show number 1. Click it. It'll display the product we just imported. You can add this product to your store as is, but you can also make some edits if you want. On the left side of the product, there's an edit button. Let's click it. This opens all the product information. Here, you can edit the title, weight, and dimensions. You can also add your store's information. You can manage the variants. Variants are crucial for changing prices. I'll come back to that in a moment. You can edit the description. The full product description is here to edit. You can also edit the description in Shopify itself. And here we have the images option. These images will be displayed in your store. It shows there are 24 images total and you can choose which ones to import. To select an image, click the empty box. Uncheck it if you don't want it in your store. You can select all available images you prefer. I'll leave these pre-selected ones as they are. There's also a delivery information option here. You can add details, but it's just to inform you about delivery option. Now the most crucial part is the variant option. This is where you'll find the product. It shows each variant's cost, shipping, and total. Below, on the right, you'll see the price option. This is where you set the selling price for your product. In this video, I won't discuss what price you should set. To determine your selling price, you need to calculate various factors. I recommend researching how to price a drop shipping product to find the right selling value. So look into that. To keep this video short, I'll skip that part. You'll set your price in this field and edit it. You'll edit the price for all variants here. I'll use $50 as an example price. If you use another currency, enter the amount here and Shopify will convert it. I'll enter 50 here and on the right is the comparative price. We'll simply delete this field and leave it empty. Now let's edit the product title. It's too long, typical for Temu. I'll just change the title to smartwatch. I'll use a shorter title for this product. Add catchy text to make it stand out in your store. After editing all fields, go to the bottom right and click Save. It's now been successfully saved. We can import the product using the orange import button that appears or select this product on the right. With multiple products, you can do it all at once. There's a button here to import to your store. After clicking, a new menu with various settings will open. Here we'll just check the box to publish in the online store and mark the first box to publish in sales channels. Then on the right side, we'll click the button to import the products. Just click and it'll import this product to our store. We just need to wait. Great. The import's done. Now let's go back to the home page of our store. We can go to the left side menu and select the products option. On this page, you'll see all products in your store, including the one we imported from Temu. If you want, you can click to view this product in your store. It'll open up and customers can see the product and choose what they want to buy. All product specs will be in the description, exactly as imported from Temu. You can click on a product to edit all its options. You can edit the title, description, images, category, and variants. To change variant names, just click and edit them. You can adjust prices for each variant, save changes when done. Now you've successfully imported Temu products to your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.